Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check remaining internal storage on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open the settings menu on your device. Well, after that here you can select about phone option. Okay, and then in this section, you can press on storage option here. Well, and then here will appear the information about the internal storage on your device. And you can check one by one like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check the remaining internal storage on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.